Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the BMW M2 in Forza Horizon 5 only way. Start by heading to the auto show and checking availability, then focus on seasonal rewards and specific festival playlist tasks tied to the M2 unlock. Prioritize events that list BMW or M2 in rewards and save credits for any required purchase. Stay patient, complete each step exactly, and don't miss timed playlists or auction windows to secure the car. In this video, I will show how to get the BMW M2 in Forza Horizon 5 only way. First, open your map and review the festival playlist objectives for any BMW or M2 mentions and note their timers. Next, scan the auto show and auction house daily so you catch short windows when the M2 appears. Finally, log in for Forzathon rewards and seasonal challenges, because the M2 will only arrive through these specific rotations and drops. In this video, I will show how to get the BMW M2 in Forza Horizon 5 only way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough for durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long gaming sessions or driving marathons. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. And if this helped you, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get the BMW M2 in Forza Horizon 5 only way. When the M2 appears as a reward, complete every listed challenge before the timer expires and prioritize objectives that directly unlock the car. Keep credits ready for quick purchase and check auctions for competitively priced listings. Join community challenges and co-op playlists to increase your chances, and stay alert to announcements that signal the M2 availability window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.